back, guys. Today we are headed down to the Morgan Primm Memorial Truck event in Petersburg, Illinois. We got dyno, we got dirt drags, we got truck pulls, so it ought to be a great day. Truck's on trailer behind me, pulling with a borrowed truck, so hopefully nothing breaks, but in case it does, we'll be ready for it. So yeah, I'm gonna try to get as much video as I can, doing the dirt drags, doing the pulls, and if there's time in between, I like to get on the dyno too, just to see where we're currently sitting. If I do get there, I'll post the events or the results from that too. So yeah, this ought to be a great day, ought to be a great event, and I'm gonna try to capture as much as I can. just want to give a huge thank you and shout out to Travis Strife and Logan from FBH Performance. These guys drove all the way about 5.5 hours from Iowa to be able to be a part of this event. They came in the night before and got prepared to swap their 66mm charger for 2.6 class out to a 90mm charger for the open class. They were able to get it done. They were able to take third in the 2.6 class and then first in the open class, which is awesome. So these guys clearly know what they're doing. I want to give them a huge shout out and thank you for coming out and being a part of this event. If you guys are in Iowa or anywhere close and you need work done, you know who to call. So the number's there. Go ahead and feel free to get a hold of them if you need to. Finishing up this video, and I just wanted to put a little bit of a follow-up in there. It was an awesome event, had a great time. It's, you know, it's a long day, but it's for an awesome cause, and it was for, you know, it's a ton of fun. I was able to meet a couple guys who had said they had, you know, seen the channel or whatever, which was really cool. You know, it's obviously not huge or whatever, but it is nice to know that people are watching it, which is cool. But yeah, actually the one video that I got from the drags was from someone came up to me and said, hey, I recognize, you know, your truck from the channel and you know, how to do on the dyno, and I got a video of it, you know, which was great. Otherwise I wouldn't have had one at all, you know. So that was really cool, and thank you very much to David for getting that for me. So I'm going to do another video on the dyno part of the event and go over the numbers and that kind of stuff, which is pretty cool. So if you have a guess for where it's at, comment below. And as always, guys, feel free to give it a like and a subscribe, and feel free to share it, do whatever you want. But yeah, keep tuned. We're going to do a dyno video and keep rolling in the future. So the season's about over, but we're going to keep moving through videos here as it gets a little bit cooler out, and hopefully get ready for next year.